Okay, so today I decided to take a look at Zorin OS 12, which sort of aims to be an easy alternative for people, coming from a Windows background. As you can see, it shares the similarities as the desktop. It's pretty similar. Down there you got your calendar and your time. This is your start menu, which again is very similar to Windows, as you can see there. Let's get into it. Let's open up the settings. Right, this is how you change your background. Let's go for this one. That's better. Okay, I think we'll stick with that. So this is where you can choose what sort of interface you want. There's that one. Just makes it a bit smaller, and this is the default one, which is more. Oh, okay, this. Right, so this one's more like a sort of a GNOME interface where you get your applications up there, and then you can switch between them with the little dots on the right side, and then you've got a workspace switcher there as well. But we'll stick with the one it comes with, and if you've paid for the Ultimate, I believe there's like a Mac type one as well. I'm not sure. Anyway. So this is the first time I've ever used this operating system, but it looks really tidy. It's very nice looking. So you can change the colours of the themes. Oh no, I don't like that. So we'll go back to that one. We'll leave that like that. Right. So online accounts, everything's there as you'd expect, so there won't be no trouble adding your Google accounts for your calendar and email, whatever else. It's just running in a virtual machine, so don't really pay any attention to that. Right, so this is how you'd update when you open up the software center. As this is a live session, we won't update anything. But if you're coming from Windows, you can kind of compare this to your Windows Store, where you install your applications and programs. Open up Chromium, which is Google Chrome. Okay, so you can snap it to the side by side. Doesn't look to be no freeway split though. You can probably enable that somewhere in settings. So this is LibreOffice, which is what would be your alternative to Microsoft Word. You can open pretty much all the files, but you will run into an odd problem here and there where something might not fit, or the spacing's off, or but for the most part you'll be just fine. Right, so if we that's just that's as it is. If we try and snap it to its side, then we'll get up Chromium. Open up YouTube. It's all pretty snappy, especially considering it's running as a live session on a virtual machine. Oh, there's your files. So you can't do freeway at all. Well, you probably can, I've just not really looked into it. Right, let's close them down. This is your active. Alright, so let's have a look at your music player, which I suspect is Rhythmbox. So that's where you play all of your local MP3s and whatever else. Accessories. I've never actually looked at a Maps app on Linux. Okay, it's not super responsive. I'd probably stick with Google Maps. Right, let's check our... oh, wrong one. I'll open up System Monitor and see how much resources this is all using. Not bad, not bad. CPU utilization is pretty low as well. Could be worse. No hot corners. Well, it probably is, but let's put it in the other setting and let's have a little look around with that for a minute or two. So you can get to your windows like that, and this is your workspace switcher, so you can have like different things open on different desktops, and you can launch applications from here. So it also comes with Wine, which is a program that lets you emulate some Windows. Well, it will give you a go at trying to emulate all Windows programs, but has varying levels of success depending on what you're trying to do. Alright, let's put it back in that. Okay, down here you got you can log out, get to the settings, change your volume, calendar down here, your notifications as well, eject media. You can email apps geary. You know, it's all pretty nice. I quite like this. As a first impressions go, it's pretty good. So there's the calendar app. It will sync with your Google account or whatever. I use Google account, so I'll set that up. So it comes with GIMP, like Photoshop but a free version. Sort of your gallery. No, really good. I did like it. Very good.